Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it was a really long break, but it was raining here in Coog and I couldn't go out and shoot. So that is the main reason why I'm taking such a long gap. I know you guys wanted the Jeeps video and this thing. So yes, I didn't know what to make. There is nothing much I can do going out because of the corona situation here. In Coog, there's a lockdown still going on and there's a lot of cases coming up, so we cannot risk it by going out. But what I'm going to do now, I've given my cruise to the workshop because the front left brake was jamming, so I had to get it checked, and turns out the piston had some cracks and they had to fix it up. So it's all done, so I'm going in the Jeep to collect it. After I'm back, so you can see all the travel and going and getting my car through that. Once I'm back, I'm going to give you the service cost of a cruise because this time I'm getting it done here, and I want to give you the exact price of everything because I'm getting all the parts by myself and then getting it done here locally. So if you guys are interested in that, you can stay tuned. So this is neither a video of my Jeep or my video of my cruise. It's just mixed. So enjoy. Bye bye. As I discussed about the mods for my cruise, guys, I want to get the 18-inch rims with low profile tires so badly. I can't tell you guys because I've always been a fan of beautiful alloy wheels for the cars because that usually completes it. But they have their own set of drawbacks. Okay, so I'll start with the main drawback. Just look at these roads. Okay, this is the road to my house in Coog, and I don't know if you can see it, and I don't know if you can feel the shake. I don't know if you can feel the shake and actually see the road, but it is horrible. And I know most of the places in regional areas have roads like this, not just in Coog. So you all know I'm getting married soon, and if I want to go on a trip with Pranalika and take this car, I won't be able to comfortably cruise through roads like this because 18-inch rims with low profile tires will either bend or break for sure. 18-inch rims with low profile tires is for city, and there's a loss of comfort when you're going for 18-inch with low profile tires because the tire walls are hard. The rest of the drawbacks I will explain later because I don't think you can hear me clearly. Hey guys, so today is the next day. It was quite late by the time we reached back because I needed a small sticker change in the back. The Rishan Konana YouTube sticker that you saw, I didn't like it, so I got it changed. I'll show you that in a bit. So now before I go to the service part of the video, I'll just explain why the alloy wheels are going to be effective for the car. Because see, this car is manufactured to have this much tire height. This is 60. The total tire size is 205, 60 or 16. So according to the road conditions in India, this car is manufactured to have this tire size, and most of the parts are sourced from different companies for every car. So in this car, the steering column will be sourced from I think Korea, if I'm not wrong, because most of the parts are sourced from Korea for this one. So the thing is, these steering columns and all are manufactured in with this tire size height in the mind. So when you put a bigger size alloy, the weight increases and also the tire profile decreases. So as the profile decreases, the side profile will be actually very hard. It won't be able to take bumps that easily. So when you go fast in a bump, or by chance you hit a bump without realizing there was a bump, there is a high chance that your alloy cracks or your tire breaks or your entire alloy gets a dent. So and then the car starts giving all kinds of problems. This is one major issue. Second issue is mileage. The mileage decreases because of the heavy tires and also the speed. The power of the car decreases drastically. Even though this one has diesel tronic, I like the extra power that it's able to give with the 16 inches. Some say that the grip increases when you put wider tires or the bigger tire. Very true, it does increase, but I don't face any wheel spins in this car because of the Michelins. The Michelins are really good at sticking to the road. So, I'm having great performance with this. Even though I really so badly want to go for 18 inches that, come high up till here. But I'm not able to do that because of these reasons, guys. So, if you ever got these rims and you feel that your car is slowing down or, your mileage has reduced, it is because of that reason. So, now. So, let me go to the list of parts that I've ordered and how much it will cost. So, I've ordered the front brake pads for this car. The replacement pads from Budumo. So it costed 1,300 rupees. It's Bosch. The original OEM one cost 7,700 rupees, which I felt is ridiculous because on Budumo itself, the Brembo brake pads cost 4,400, guys. If Brembo itself costs 4,400, I don't know for what GM is costing 7,700. So I felt Bosch is a good company and Bosch brakes are not bad. The rear brake pads are Bosch in this car, so I thought let me go for Bosch. So it cost me 1,300. I went for Shell Helix 5W40 oil from Amazon. 4-liter bottle costed me 2,800 rupees. Then I went for 3 separate 1-liter bottles which costed 800 something. The total came up to around 5,200 change. You can check it out on Amazon. I think the sale is still going on. Okay, and the oil filter costed 400 rupees, fuel filter costed 400 rupees, and the car's AC cabin filter was missing. Last time I sent it to the showroom, those guys took it out and forgot to put it back in, I guess. So on Budumo again costed 333 rupees. So the whole thing I've ordered, guys. As soon as it comes, I'll replace everything and tell you the cost, how much my mechanic charges. So I think the total cost has come up to somewhere around 8,000 rupees now. Not changing the rear brake pads because it's good. Only the left side's one side pad is worn out. So I have the old brake pads that I changed when I changed the calipers. So I'm going to get that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe. Most of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel. So subscribe and it will really motivate me to make more videos. Thank you for watching. If you have stayed till here, leave a thumbs up. I'll be really happy. So thank you. Bye bye.